My video is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications and scary messages that come from the site Karleu.info. Karleu.info is a deceptive site that attacks many browsers today. It targets Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers. The real purpose of these pop-ups is to deceive customers and make them download and install some potentially unwanted software. The website Karleu.info indicates that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. It may also display some other scary messages that try to encourage you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Therefore, Karleu.info is a dangerous site that you should never interact with. It's a mistake to download or install anything that these pop-ups suggest. Now, do not click on any buttons integrated into these pop-ups because you may simply be brought to some other junk sites that may force you into downloading some potentially unwanted programs. By the way, the reason why these pop-ups attack your screen is because the browser is most likely contaminated by some hidden adware. There are some things you could implement to fix your browser. For instance, you could check your browser extensions by going to the menu, More Tools, Extensions. If you find any suspicious items here, get rid of them. Also, go to the settings, choose Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions and choose Notifications. If you find any malicious sites here on the list, you need to click on this button and remove these malicious sites from the list. There is a program that can fix your browser and your entire computer automatically. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, download the software, install it, and start researching your system to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.